In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures on Facebook Messenger. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on the messenger icon. That opens up my messages, and from here I'm choosing the chat where I want to send the pictures. You just want to make sure you open the right conversation first, because this is where the images are going to be sent once everything is ready. Now that I'm inside the chat, I'm looking around the message area for the attach a file icon. Once I see it, I'm clicking that, and this opens the file window from my computer. At this point, I'm selecting the pictures I want to send. I'm just choosing the images from my device, making sure I've got the right ones, and then I'm clicking open. As soon as I do that, the pictures are added into the message area, so I can send them through Messenger. Now that the pictures are loaded in, I can see them sitting in the chat box, and this is the point where I can add in a message if I want to. So if I want to type something along with the pictures, I can do that right here before I send everything. If I don't need any text, I can leave it as just the images and keep going. Either way, I'm just taking a quick second to look at the chat box and make sure the correct pictures are attached and everything looks the way I want before I send it. Once that's done, I'm pressing enter or hitting send, and that's it. The pictures are sent in the Facebook Messenger chat. So the whole process is really simple once you know where the attachment icon is. You open Facebook, click the messenger icon at the top right, open the chat you want to send the pictures to, click the attach a file icon, select the pictures you want to send, click open, add a message if needed, and then press enter or hit send. If you're following along on your own screen, the main thing is just opening the correct chat first and then using the attachment icon from inside that conversation. After that, it's really just picking your pictures, checking that they're attached, and sending them. Everything happens right there in the same chat window, so you don't need to open anything else or go through extra settings to make it work. So that's exactly how to send pictures on Facebook Messenger. Once you've done it one time, it becomes a really quick thing to repeat anytime you want to share photos in a conversation. Just open Messenger, choose the chat, attach the pictures, add a message if you want, and send them. That's all there is to it, and the whole thing only takes a few clicks from start to finish.